This is the rotary 4-speed ball ring and planet cage installation. You will need to temporarily install the fulcrum lever unit. Align the yellow marks on the fulcrum lever and then align those yellow marks with the yellow dot on the cone locator and install the circlip. You will be using the fulcrum lever cable drum to rotate the axle to retract the pawls. When you rotate it all the way, the pawls retract. Invert the axle assembly. Install some LMX grease into the ball cup where the bearings go. Install the ball cage assembly. A little more grease, and then set the ball cage onto the driver. Now use some Castrol CLS 00 grease for the pawls. It's helpful to get the grease under the pawls. And then the grease on the pinions, and you can rotate one of the pinions with your finger to get the grease to work around. Some grease on the pawls. Now on the fulcrum lever, there's a small hole which you can insert a 2mm spoke or a 2mm Allen wrench, and you'll be able to rotate the cable drum. Hold it in place. This will retract all of the pawls, and then the 3 rectangular holes in the bottom of the planet carrier will engage on the 3 tabs on the driver. There we go. Then you can let go of the spoke again. Now, with some more Castrol CLS 00 grease, insert a little grease in the bottom of the sun gear and on top of the axle. Again, rotate it. Rotate the cable drum, and this sun gear will seat down. Then some more grease on the sun gear. You'll notice the sun gear will only rotate one direction. Then the ring gear assembly. Castrol CLS 00 grease on the pawls. On the ring gear itself, on the teeth of the ring gear, on the ratchet area. This is where the pawls from the planet carrier will engage. Down inside where the planets are, and then a little on the planets themselves. Now slide the gear ring assembly down and just rotate it back and forth until it drops down, and you should see a little groove right here where the snap ring will engage. Very important that the snap ring is all the way down and fully engaged, and then you're done.